My name is Daniel Mondina and I'm from Maryland.
I'm Rebecca, also from Maryland, you guys.
We're going to do ATVs today and hopefully jet skis and anything that it's exciting. Yeah. It's fun. You run the horse and splash and everything.
Look, nervous at first, but with the guides and everything, it's been a really cool experience so far.
Yeah, it's very nice. It was great. It was a great experience. A lot of fun. I like the, when you go into the water and the paddles and the speed and yeah.
It was awesome. The tour guide that we had was very knowledgeable, very helpful. He made both of us feel more at ease with it.
Carabalí, super recommended.
Can't go wrong to come here.